Hi, welcome to our demo. I'm very excited to show what we have to offer and how you can create a better customer experience in no time. The first step towards a better customer experience and offering tailored customer journeys is getting a good understanding of your audience. Our Audience tab gives you an overview of all your visitors and what they have been doing on your website. You can click a visitor and our tool will show you everything they did on your website. Another key benefit of our audience overview is that you can easily filter your audiences with a variety of filters and save this audience for later. Next up is creating a journey and targeting the right people with the right content. Let's create a test journey to give you a better understanding of how it works. In this journey, we'll target all our website visitors. The first thing we would like to do is show them a specific case, like a pop-up on the homepage, for example. After this, we would like to send an email to everyone that has made a conversion on the pop-up. To do so, we'll add 2 extra stages to our journey. The one where we add the conversion filter and the email we would like to send the visitors that match these criteria. Once we're happy with the journey, we can publish it and launch it on our website. Our tool furthermore enables you to make changes to your website, like changing a title or an image, and allows you to build website cases like adding a pop-up, for example. You can create your cases from scratch or use one of the many templates we offer. All our templates can be customized to fit your branding and tone of voice, of course. Another visual builder we offer that doesn't require any coding is our email editor. Just like the website editor, you can choose to start from scratch or customize one of our templates. I hope you are as excited as we are about using Taglayer. You can now explore our tool for free on our website. Enjoy and see you soon.